तलाश कर, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तू समंदर तलाश कर। रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल, ऑनरेबल टीचर एंड माय डियर फेलोज, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। Today I feel very proud and happy to speak about our beloved country Pakistan. My dear friends, 20 August 1947 is a very special day in the history of Pakistan. On this day, Muslims are supported, achieve a separate origin, achieve a separate origin after a long struggle. But do you know how difficult this freedom of Iran left their homes, their land and their businesses? Many families travel for days to reach Pakistan. Many people lost their lives, mothers lost their son, sisters lost their brother, and children lost their parents. They gave these sacrifices because they wanted us to live in a free and peaceful country. Our great leader, Qazi Muhammad Ali Jinnah, worked day and night for the freedom of Muslims. His message was strength, unity and discipline. My dear fellows, we are very lucky to be born in a free and peaceful country. We can go to school, study, pray and live according to our values. We should love Pakistan, not only with our words, but also with our actions. A beautiful person. My country is my life. My country is my home. I give well served with my heart. Wherever I may live, my dear fellows, let us promise to work hard for the progress of country. Give well served love, kindness and unity. Let us remember our heroes and martyrs. They give their lives for our freedom. Pakistan is not just a country. Pakistan is our identity. May Allah protect Pakistan and bless our country. The peace, unity and prosperity. इस मिट्टी से वफा तुम भी हम भी करें, इस मिट्टी से वफा तुम भी करो हम भी करें, इसका जो अदा तुम भी करो हम भी करें।